Assalamu alaikum. We are going to start a new series inspired by the legend Ir Irodov, whose book is Problem in General Physics, which are most famous book in physics. We are going to discuss some problem, and their challenge must be challenging with some reasons, and after some time I will solve them for you. Now start your journey with enthusiasm. First, motorboard problem. Motorboard problem is famous in all over in class 11 or 12. Uh, a motorboard is going downstream overcome a raft. Raft means this kind of boat. Okay, at a point a time t, later it back after some time pass the rough distance. Okay, downstream means the side water flowing, the boat also going in the same direction, so that let assume the velocity of boat v naught and the velocity of stream v prime, and when it goes downstream the net velocity will add up. Okay, now see, a motorboat going downstream overcome a raft at a point A. Let assume point A. It turn back after some time. Let assume it go to point B. Okay. And the raft will displaced with, let assume the length is L. Okay, and that point is C. Overall, we know that when it goes v naught by v, okay, the whole time it will when it backed up in the point, it will v naught and the length will be L, whole L. Okay, now the time taken t will be L by v naught. The raft also takes some time, and that will be same time because the work done in same time. V naught plus v prime t minus L. The whole is that minus L, and we can easily tell that L prime is that. Now we can tell that v naught minus sorry, v prime minus v naught. Okay, when it comes, it is opposite of downstream. Okay, and solve it with boundary. Let determinant is equal to 0. We can tell that v naught is equal to L by 2t L6 2 into 60 10 1 by 20 kilometer minute. Or it will be 10 meter per second. Done. First math. Okay, summarized it. First of all, it goes on that way. Downstream, when downstream it goes, the velocity is add up. Okay, after some while when it back, the velocity that, okay, when it come to, and that point is whole into L minus because two things are shift simultaneously, so we can tell that the time taken in that and time taken in that are same. After solving that using boundary method, you can tell that 2t 3 meter per second. Best math. Okay, let's move forward. A point transverse half distance with velocity v naught. Okay, let assume it will be half distance with velocity v naught. It will be v1 it will be v1 and it will be v2. Okay, a point transverse the distance velocity v naught half distance, the remaining part of the distance, and that is remaining part. Okay, distance covered with velocity v naught. Okay, covered velocity v naught, it covered velocity v1 and other velocity v2. Okay, find the mean velocity. Mean velocity means okay, that is that. Firstly we can say that whole distance is s, s by 2, and next is s by 2, s by 4, s by 4. Okay, and first case S by 2 is equal to V naught. Let assume that time t1, let assume time t2, and let assume time taken t3 into v1. You can say that t1 is equal to S by 2 v naught. And next S by 2 time its velocity is v1 v2 let us assume it is time t t2 t3 is equal to t. Okay, t t, then v is, we can say that v is sum of s and sum of t, s half t2 plus t3, and that is s, and that is s by 2 v naught plus s by v1 plus v2. After solving that, we can get 2 v naught v1 plus v2 is equal to v1 v2 plus 2v. The result is that hopefully you enjoy the class. Tata, bye bye. Assalamu alaikum. We are going to start a new series inspired by the legend Ir Irodov, whose book is Problem in General Physics, which are most famous book in physics. We are going to discuss some problem, and their challenge must be challenging with some reasons, and after some